It's the roof finished in London. Done all the lead gullies down the middle and the sides. Down here, all hips and lime mortar. All step flashings with lead going up the walls. There's your ridge line and lead. There's your hips there. Capping the walls. Cap the walls there. Use Welsh slates. It's another angle. The roof finished. Some different angles, so you can see the Welsh slates, how beautiful they are. 100-year guarantee with these slates from the manufacturer. Did a really nice job on the lead. Capping there. It was a mess when we were here. You see from the other videos. Still got the door to go on the hatch. Carpenters will come back and do that. That's all the capping here on from the front angle. Rendered the walls. It's all lead flashing cut into the walls. Lead aprons. Lead capping on the walls. All the ridge are done in lime mortar pre-mixed. It's a nice job. Have to go. Catch you later.